Hello everyone, today I will show you how to see when an Instagram post was made. And here's how it is done. Open Instagram and find the post you are curious about. Under the photo or video, you will see a small three dots on the left side. Click to open it. Once you open it, you will see the video or photos date created like 3 days ago, 1 week ago, or sometimes just July 9. For stories and reels, stories, you can see the exact time if it is someone else's story. You will only see how many hours ago it was posted. Example, 12 hours. Reels, it is the same as post. Look below the reel for the date or open it on desktop and hover. And that is everything you should know about how to see when Instagram post was made. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.